everyone, Hannah here and welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be sharing an unboxing of some free samples we received and letting you know how you can get some free samples too. Keep watching to find out how.
The sample box that we will be sharing with you today is from PINCHme. PINCHme is a free service that lets you try products for free in exchange for your feedback on the products. All you need to do is sign up. There will be a link in the description box in case you want to check it out. And on every second Tuesday of the month, which is called Sample Tuesday, you can claim the newly released samples. You can expect about 3 to 6 samples on average in your monthly box. The box that we will be sharing with you today is a blogger box. It is a little bit bigger than what you would receive. This box will give you an idea of the wide variety of products you could receive. So the first item in the box is just a welcome card. And then we have a coupon for a free box of Gray's snacks. Now my lovely assistant and daughter Hannah will show you all of the samples that we got in the box. The first sample is by a company called Lovebug, and it's a bottle of probiotics. It's a 10-day challenge for digestive health, and there's 10 capsules in the bottle. I have actually been looking for something like this, so I'm really excited to try it. The next sample is a resurfacing clinical grade liquid peel by Dr. Dennis Gross. And here's what it looks like outside of the box. It even comes with the cotton balls to apply the product to your face. The next sample is a full bar of the Yardley London Activated Charcoal Soap. I'm also really excited to try this product as well. And here's what it looks like outside of the box, and it smells really good too. The next sample is a packet of hand and body wipes by the company called Handy Solutions. There's 8 wipes total, and this will be great to stick in my purse. The next sample is a disinfecting wipe by Clorox, and the scent is Lemon Twist. The next 2 items are some chocolate cookie squares. They were baked in France, and let me tell you, I already ate these and they were delicious. The next sample is by PINCHme, and it's 2 medium gel cushion pads for blister healing. The next sample is from Bausch & Lomb, and it's the Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. And the last item in the sample box is a argan oil spray for your hair. It's by Eva NYC, and it's called the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer.
Thanks so much for watching today's video, and don't forget to check out the PINCHme link in the description box down below so you can get started. Bye everyone, see you in the next video!